Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Sari's Kitchen. So on today's recipe, I want to show you on how to make liver recipe. Kindly watch this video to the end. For this recipe, we'll start by heating 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Then we're going to add some onions. I've used 1 red onion. You're going to saute that for a while. After that, we're going to add in your liver, which is already washed and cut. After that, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. Then we're going to add some salt to taste. Give it a mix and let the liver simmer. At this point, you can also add spices of your choice. I didn't want spices on my liver, so I didn't add them. So you let the liver cook until it turns brown. After a short while, your liver should be as shown in this video. Then you're going to add in some tomato puree. I've used 1 tomato. You're going to let the tomato cook until it is tender. When the tomato is well cooked, you're going to add in some veggies. I've used some carrots and bell pepper, but you can also decide to add other veggies if you wish. Then you're going to give that a mix, and then you're going to add a little water so that it can make the veggies cook for a while. Lastly, you're going to add in some fresh coriander leaves. Give it a stir for about 1 minute. Then your liver should be ready to be served. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any recipe you want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do it for you. Kindly don't forget to give this video a like, comment and share with others. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye bye.